Visitors come to our website and then left. Now we want to know how much time is visitor spent on our site, so that we can nurture the more engaged visitor and encourage them to return to our website. Let's see how to track 10-second, 30-second and 60-second visitor engagement time on page using GTM and GA4. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, move on triggers, new trigger configuration, scroll a bit and select timer. At first we set up a trigger for 10 seconds, then 30 seconds and in the end 60 seconds. Inside the interval box we need to convert 10 seconds into millisecond and input it. To convert easily, just search on Google second to millisecond converter, then convert 10 second to millisecond and copy it, then paste here, and limit should be 1. Whenever a visitor visits any page of our website and stays for 10 seconds, this trigger will fire. That's why variable should be page path, match regex, name the trigger, then save. Now we create a tag for 10 seconds. Move on tag, new tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4 event. Paste here GA4 measurement ID. For this, navigate to GA4 account, admin, data stream, click on container. This is our measurement ID. Copy this and paste here. Or if you have already created a measurement ID variable, you can click on plus icon and select GA4 measurement ID, then event name. Remember, when writing an event name, always use lowercase letter and place an underscore between words following the GA4 format. Then triggering, select 10-second timer trigger that we created previously. Name the tag, then save. Now we create a tag trigger for 30-second timer. Let's copy 10-second timer tag. Click on 3-dot icon and copy. Customize the tag name. Also customize the event name. Now let's copy 10-second timer trigger. Click on 3-dot icon, copy, customize the trigger name and change interval from 10 second to 30 second. Let's convert 30 second to millisecond. Copy this and paste here. Keep all other settings the same. Save the trigger. Now save the tag as well. Here we see in 30-second timer tag selected 10-second timer trigger. Let's select 30-second timer trigger. Click on pencil icon, then minus icon, triggering, and select 30-second timer trigger that we created. Then save. In the same way, we will do it for 60 seconds. Copy the previous tag and triggers, then customize them. Our tag triggers have been created for 10 second, 30 second and 60 second. Let's check whether our setup is working properly or not. For this, go to preview. Must be enter here website URL, then connect. Now stay on our website for 10 second, 30 second and 60 second and move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see our 10 second, 30 second and 60 second timer tag fired. Let's check if GA4 has received the data properly or not. Yes, it's done. We can also check from the GA4 debug view. Go to admin. Inside the data display, go to debug view. Yes, done here as well. We are happy with our setup. Let's back to Google Tag Manager and submit our work. Name the version. Then publish. We have successfully set up tracking for 10 second, 30 second and 60 second visitor engagement time on the page. Alhamdulillah.